Ever wished you could send emails directly from your Excel spreadsheet? Let me show you how. Here in my example, I have person's name, the email, subject line, message, and email link. In the email link column, type this formula. Start with the equals sign, then type hyperlink, then open a bracket. Next, type mail to in quotes, followed by an and sign. Type B2 for the email address. Then put quotes, followed by an and sign. Type a question mark, subject, equals sign, and quotes. Put an and sign again, then type C2 for the subject line. Put another and sign, followed by quotes. Type in body equals sign, and quotes. Then put another and sign and type D2 for the email message cell. Finally, type email in quotes, add an and sign, and type A2 for the name cell. Now, close the bracket. Now press Enter key. This creates the email link. To copy the formula to other cells, select the cells below. Press Ctrl+D. Now click on the cell and it will direct you to your email. Once the email is opened, you can see the From Email to Email, the subject line, and the message exactly from the Excel. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments.